Good evening, Cash 2T14. We are Alianza Tapat Solasolista, and we're here to present our pride, our slate, your next generation of Tapat leaders. For your Legislative Assembly representative, absent. For Executive Vice President, we have Leanza Go.
Ang magsusulong ng dapat. Good evening, Cash 2T14. I am Leanza Go, your Executive Vice President.
For your Batch President, we have Andrea Africa.
Ang magtataguyod ng dapat sa Catch 2T14, I am Andrea Africa, your Batch President. Heights, death, rejection, failure. Bakit ba tayo natakot? Kasi baka mabastard tayo. Magpagalitan ng parents. Magpahiya sa maraming tao. Magkamali. But let me tell you this, CCS. If you're afraid, you are limiting yourselves. Because when you're not prepared to be wrong, you can never be right. We should not just let our lives unfold. Why not be part of the change? Show how one person can make a difference. Show how one whole college can change the nation.
We would rather see people doubt what is true than accept what isn't.
We should not let others' limited perception to define who we are.
We are encouraging you to be curious, doubt ourselves. We are afraid to join national and international competitions because we are afraid na mag-fail tayo, na hindi tayo matanggap. Dahil palagi natin sinasabi sa sarili natin na hindi natin kaya. Pero natanong niyo na ba ang mga sarili niyo? At alam niyo naman na kaya niyo. So what's beyond your monitor?
We are encouraging you to be curious, doubt the system. We are afraid to voice out our concerns. Bakit? Kasi kung baka meron bang magigets ba nila, masasabi ba natin ang lahat, may mangyayari ba? Guys, as students of this university, we have the right to be represented. Kasi tayo ang pinaka naapektuhan sa mga pagbabago sa ating college.
We are for strengthening student representation in the decision-making body of the college. Awareness is power. It gives you the right to choose. So what's beyond your monitor?
We are encouraging you to be curious, not the tuition fee. We are afraid to ask the admin or to ask someone in authority. Kasi bakit? Dahil hindi ba natin alam yung process or baka hindi natin alam kung ano yung mangyayari. Guys, do you know that we are paying about 10,000 pesos for our miscellaneous fees, special fees, lab fees, and other maintenance fees. Pero do we really maximize the money we are paying to the school? That is why we are for transparency and accountability. Guys, there are just two kinds of people in this world. Ones who make history and the others who endure it. Life is not what it's supposed to be. It is what it is. It's how we cope with it that makes a difference.
So ano nang gagawin nyo? Will you stand up and be heard, or makikinig na lang kayo? You have to remember that the greatest power that each and every one of us possesses is the power to choose. Kung alam nyo mga tamang tanong, alam nyo rin kung anong gagawin.
CCS, now is the time to start. And once again, we are your Tapat leaders!
I am Leanza Go, your Executive Vice President.
And I am Andrea Africa,
Andrea
your Batch President. And please don't forget, Grace Chua,
Chua,
your Legislative Assembly representative. And for your 109 representatives,
I am Ayan Espina, your Legislative Assembly representative.
And I am Mary Vasquez, your Executive Vice President.
And I am Amor Arenas, your Batch President.
At ako naman po ang inyong gabay at gakbay na tapat at tunay. Ako po si Chende Jesus. CCS, I am your college president.
and for your executive board, for your executive treasurer, ensuring your money's worth, we have
Sugo Rustia, ensuring you get the right answers. For your executive secretary, we have
Mitch Del Carmen.
ensuring stronger external alliances. For your vice president for external affairs, we have
Cleo Leogardo, ensuring your time is well spent. For your vice president for internal affairs, we have
Ina Ongsiaco.
at ang magpapatuloy ng dapat sa De La Salle University, serbisyong totoo, pamumunog may prinsipyo.
Isang presidenteng tapat sa inyo.
Our pride from the College of Computer Studies. Diyan nakabuhat, diyan nakabuhat, diyan nakabuhat your first CCS University Student Government President.
Kaya sa darating na March 20, 21, and 22, that's a Tuesday, a Wednesday, and a Thursday, sa tapat ng CCS Faculty Room.
Ibotong dapat!
Nagaporma ng tapat.
Kaya vote straight tapat, vote straight tapat,
Vote straight tapat.
for a just and free society.
Yes guys, it's not about who your friends are.
It's not about the color you are wearing, but it's about the ideals that you believe that are worth fighting for. And now, CCS, we ask, what would you do if you weren't afraid? CCS, what's beyond your monitor? Guys, do you have any questions or? Ay, sure.
Diba sabi niyo, for ako, alin yung parang for transparency, ganyan. Tapos, diba parang, how sure are you na magagawa niyo yun? For example, yung EAF na, yung, kunyari, diba, promise din yun yung president ngayon, pero wala naman nangyayari. Parang ako, nadagdagan ko nga yung binayaran ko kasi may free reprinting dapat ako, pero hindi pinagbayad nila ako. Bitter ako.
Yun nga, we want more student representation din. Actually, magka-connect yun. So, siguro hindi lang na-inform sa inyo kung bakit ganun yung, kung bakit ganun pa rin yung nangyayari. Kasi of course, mayroong namang reason yan. And kaya nga, one project that we are pushing is for you guys, kunwari, like what happened in the town hall, the open forum. Are you aware of that?
No.
You're not all. Yun,
Parang di ba maraming tapat ngayon sa USG, pero parang di ba yung president tas yung vice, tas parang hindi naman nila nagagawa, parang hindi naman nila ako na-inform sa mga nangyayari, parang kunyari sa 4-day class, something ganyan. Hindi ko nga alam yung survey about that, gano'n.
Okay, by the way kasi, sorry.
So, can I answer this question?
Yes.
Jen. Kasi, regarding dun sa EAF, it was our executive treasurer before. It's Ian Villaruel's platform. So, hindi siya kasama sa Office of the President. Trabaho siya na treasurer. And dahil hindi nanalo yung treasurer namin last year, hindi na push yun.
So, kapag kunyari, isa lang nanalo sa inyo, hindi niyo ipupush yung platform niyo, gano'n.
Ipupush pa din namin yung platform namin. Kaso lang, hindi nasakop ng Office of the President yung trabaho ng treasurer.
Pero di ba pwede naman sila mag-suggest or gano'n?
Pero kasi, maybe Ate Cabe suggested that to the current executive treasurer. Pero hindi naman natin may masisigurado na gagawin yun ng executive treasurer ngayon. Kasi, may iba din naman siyang priorities. Kaya we encourage you to vote straight tapat. Kasi you're not voting for the individual candidate, you're voting for the platform.
So guys, kung gusto nyo talaga yung platform namin, make sure to vote straight tapat. Kasi mas may implement namin yung mga pinromisan namin sa inyo, sa aming GPOA, kung lahat talaga kami na-elect. Kasi sama-sama naman kami gumawa nito and we share the same vision. So mas may implement namin yung mga activities na yun kapag kami lahat talaga yung nag-work together. Any other questions?
But general yung...
Kami question na.
Kasi yung pinasa ko sa... Ay, naman.
Nakita mo rin. Nakita mo yung video natin. Huwag mo titingin.
Okay, sige, to answer your question, kasi kaya siya general, is, kapag general kasi, it's more flexible. And for example, we put concrete programs there, and syempre, if nanalo kami, syempre, we are held accountable for what we promise you. And if kunwari, kung may mga concrete programs dyan, and what if something, may underlying issues pa doon, what if hindi naman pala talaga yun yung need ng students? So, kapag general siya, at least maraming ways to solve the issue. At least may alternative ka. So, Yes, so yun, at least makakabigay pa kami ng other alternative solutions for that. Kasi syempre, kaya kami binoto dahil sa plataforma namin. And syempre accountable kami sa kung ano man yung pinamis namin dyan.
Panahon to ng mga pausin.
May follow-up lang ako. Kasi kaya general yung platform namin. Kasi may kasi next year, na-elect kami, hindi naman sigurado yung problems na nag-arise ngayon, mag-arise next year. So kaya general kasi may 3 reforms kami and under nun, yung nasasakop nun, flexible yun para sa time na yun, yun yung magiging basehan namin kung on how we can solve the problem. So parang sa time na yun, hindi specific yung binigay namin. So hindi namin i-compromise yung problem na yun, yung solution namin, kung hindi na siya nararapat sa panahon na yun. So yun.
Yung NDF yung wala. So, hindi kami narinig yung projects niya. What if, for instance, only one of you won? Mauulit ba yung nangyari, yung question ni Chushina, yung project nung hindi nanalo, hindi matutupad? How would you handle that situation if ever only one of you won?
Siyempre kapag isa lang yung nanalo sa amin, we will do our very best na i-push yung pinaka priority.
I gave the question to them.
Ooh, like.
Okay.
We're running kasi under the same platform, so, and I'm the LA rep, so...
Can I finish my sentence first and then you can elaborate it. So, ayun.
Debate.
Of course, we will
No, but...
Okay, may mga ipa-prioritize namin yung may nakikita namin pinaka-need talaga ng students. And as much as possible, we would also like to educate yung mga fellow elected namin na kung bakit i-defend namin sa kanila kung bakit yung need. Kasi yun naman, kasi syempre kapag yung pag binondo ka naman, accountable ka pa rin naman sa platform. So, we will really try our very best to defend that platform kahit sa ibang tao, kahit sa ED, sa GOSM defense.
Kasi diba, we share the same platform. Kahit matalo yung isa, ipaglalaban pa rin, or matalo yung dalawa, ipaglalaban pa rin nung tapat na tumatakbo ngayon. That's why, kahit example, talo yung LA, kasi diba, same platform, same things, same vision. Kung sino yung nakatayo doon, sino yung elected, he or she will have to fight for the platform together with the vision of Tapat. So, yeah.
What's up? Tama na.
Tapat, but hindi send the word.
Sige. We chose Tapat kasi we believe in the principles of Tapat.
Hindi, why should they vote for it?
Wait.
But Tapat yung iboboto.
Sorry.
But hindi diretso sa
Again, okay. We are advocating for a platform-based campaign. Iboto nyo kami kasi dahil sa platform namin. Dahil yung platform namin, it can solve the issues here in the college. That's what we believe.
Kasi we're advocating for a platform-based campaign. Siguro yun yung main difference namin with them.
Fairness na, talagang active tong class.
There's more.
Gusto niyo na yung projector, mag-report pa kayo.